Hey everybody, welcome to the Smoke Shack. Today we're going to be doing a couple of pork butts. Got my nephew coming over for some pulled pork and we're going to go fishing afterwards. Alright, so we're setting up the Vision grill today for some pork butts. We're going to do some pulled pork. So I got my charcoal in there. I put a wax cube in there to start the fire up. And we're going to let that get going, and then we'll come back and check it and get the temperature up to where we need it. In the meantime, we're going to go ahead and take care of the rubbing up the pork butts. Alright, so we got these two pork butts we're going to do today. I'm just leaving everything on it. These have been boned, so there's no bones in them for to worry about with anything. So we're just gonna go ahead and rub these up. I'm gonna be using Bad Byron's butt rub and Big Belly rub combination on these here. Let's go ahead and get the Bad Byron's on there. I'm gonna go pretty thick on this. If you haven't tried that Bad Byron's, that is some good stuff. And then you add this Big Belly rub to it, and you get a winner. So the Bad Byron's is more of has some spice to it, and I have the Big Belly rub original, and it is more sweet. So I put the both of them on there, and I am making a complete mess here. And then we're just going to let these kind of sit while the fire gets going, and they'll kind of sweat up. Help everything stick on here better. Alright, so there we go. We are all set here. Got everything rubbed up. And we'll be back. Alright, so the wood is getting started there. So we're going to put our bracket in for the heat diffuser. I'm going to put some wood in here. We're going to use some cherry wood. So I'm down to the scraps on the cherry wood. So I'm going to throw a bunch of these in here today. Don't have any big chunks. And we're already getting some nice smoke from that. So let me go ahead and put the diffuser in there. And as you can see, I've got the diffuser in there, plate in here. So we're just going to let this come up to temperature. We'll come back in about a half hour. Alright, so we're just gonna let this come up to temperature. Hold on here. So I got the pork butts all seasoned up. The Vision grill is coming up to temperature, so once we get that up to temp, I'll put the pork butts on. We're gonna be running the pork butts today between, I want to be about 250 on them, between 225 and 275, so I want to hit the sweet spot of about 250 on these. Should be a good one, man. This is going to be fun. So stick around. Alright, and there's Baloo, the king of the house, just resting on the couch, doing what he does best. 40-mile-an-hour couch potato is what he is. He's our retired racing greyhound. We've had him for about 8 years now, I think. I think he's 11. He is the coolest dog I've ever seen, man. He is just amazing. Alright, so we're at 230 right now, which is going to be perfect for this. And I'm going to go ahead and put these pork butts on. One there. And one there. Alright, so we're going to let these two go till they're done. So stick around. Alright, so we're going to check this, see what we're looking at here. Oh yeah, they're looking good. Starting to get some color. We're at about 114 degrees, running at 240 on these, so we'll be back. Alright, so we got one of these is ready to wrap here, so we're gonna man, these are looking good. Alright, so we're gonna just put some honey on this. I like to add some honey on here to when I'm wrapping it up. Some added sweetness. So this one was $164. Thank you, sir. Got my nephew James here from Missouri visiting, helping me out here. I'll get a picture of him. He looks nothing like me at all. Very handsome, beautifully handsome man. Alright, so we get those back on here. Alright, so we got these both wrapped up back on here. We're going to let these sit till they get up to about 200 degrees, and we'll pull them off, let them set for a couple hours, or an hour, and then we're going to eat. So hang on. Alright, so it looks like one of these is done, so we're going to do a few little tests on it, see how the probe feels on it. Oh man, yes sirree, that one is done. That one, not quite there yet. So let me go ahead and take this one off. And then we're going to let these sit for an hour or so.
So what we got here is pork butt that's done and ready to be pulled. So we're gonna open her up. Let's look at this baby. Look at that. Goodness gracious. Alright.
Hey.
Whoa.
What are you doing in my seat?
What are you talking about?
Get out of here. Give me my hat. Give me my glasses. Get out of
What?
here. You punk.
Well, let me have any fun.
This bogus onion over here. Hey everybody, welcome to the Smoke Shack. That's my nephew James. You'd never know we were related. But we're gonna do this pork butt here, and oh man, look at this. This is just coming apart. This was a boneless butt that we used. It was had the bone removed, so that makes it very easy to pull it and get it going here. Let me get a close up here. Hang on. All right, so let's check this out. This is just dripping with juices and hot. Yeah, hot. That would be the word for it. Hot. This came out awesome. Great smoke ring. I don't know if you can see some of these pieces here with the smoke ring on them. Nice red smoke ring. Tender. Juicy. Well, thanks for watching. I'd like to thank my nephew James for helping out with this one. I'll post some more video after this of him and me. So we are gonna eat. So we'll catch you guys later. Thanks for watching. We ran this at about 240 degrees was what we went today. Internal temperature was 205. And we are ready to go. We let it set for an hour. And I'm gonna try this. That's good. All right, guys. We'll talk to you later. All right, so this is my nephew James here. As you can tell, he looks nothing like me at all. So let me just get in here. Yeah, he doesn't look anything like me at all.